What is dark web? Imagine the internet as an iceberg. What you see above the water is just the surface web, the tip of the iceberg. It's the websites you access every day using regular search engines. But beneath the surface, lurking in the depths, lies the mysterious dark web. This hidden part of the internet is like a secret underworld, accessible only through special tools like Tor. It's a digital realm where anonymity reigns, and you never know what you might stumble upon. So, whether you're casually surfing the surface or daring to explore the shadows, the internet has more to it than meets the eye. The dark web is a part of the internet that is not indexed by search engines and requires special software to access. It is often associated with criminal activity, but it also has legitimate uses. The dark web is made up of websites that use Tor, a network of servers that encrypts and anonymizes traffic. This makes it difficult for anyone to track who is using the dark web or what they are doing. There are a number of reasons why people use the dark web. Some use it to buy and sell illegal goods and services, such as drugs, weapons, and stolen credit cards. Others use it to communicate anonymously, such as journalists or political dissidents. Still others use it for research or to access information that is not available on the open web. The dark web can be dangerous. There is a risk of being scammed or hacked, and there is also the possibility of coming across illegal or harmful content. Here are some tips for staying safe on the dark web. Only use trusted sources for links to dark websites. Be careful about what information you share. Use a strong password and two-factor authentication. Keep your software up to date. Use a virtual private network, VPN, to protect your traffic. If you are considering using the dark web, it is important to weigh the risks and benefits. It is also important to be aware of the law in your country. In some countries, using the dark web to access illegal content is illegal. And there you have it, the intriguing difference between the surface web and the enigmatic dark web. It's fascinating to think about the layers of the internet that we interact with daily and those that remain hidden from view. If you enjoyed diving into the depths of this topic, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-boggling content. Stay curious, stay connected, and until next time, happy exploring.